Welcome to the Random Trader video series 2022 and beyond. This is episode number 1. Now in episode number 1 here, I want to talk about what exactly this is about. And then moving forward, the videos will be shorter because we're simply going to take a trade and I'm going to manage it into profit, however long that takes. But I really want to lean on the concept of why I'm calling this the Random Trader. So again, Forex Random Trading Series, episode number 1. Let's go into the detail here of what I'm doing, and then we'll do our very first random trade. So first, I'm going to prove that Forex trading is profitable, period. It's as simple as that. A lot of people don't understand it. They also think it's very complex. I'm going to show you how this is, in my opinion and in my experience, the number one way to generate income using the internet and simple techniques that anyone can learn. Next, I'm going to prove that Forex price movements are random, absolutely random. You will see people teaching you Forex trading strategies that a lot of it is based off of patterns and pattern recognition. I'm going to tell you right now, in my opinion and in my experience, the moment you get drawn into the concept that there's some sort of pattern, and especially the way they teach you to trade Forex, you're going to be in trouble. I'm going to show you how to eliminate the concepts of patterns and strategies, and I'm going to prove to you again through randomness, and you'll see what I mean in a couple minutes here, but through randomness, you can absolutely create profits. I'll then prove that you can enter a random buy or sell and profit every time. I'm going to read that again. I'm going to prove that you can enter a random buy or sell trade on a random currency pair and profit every time. No one else on the internet is doing this, and everyone else will teach you exactly the opposite. They'll actually teach you how to take losses. Tell me why you would take a loss if you don't have to. Again, everything will be proven episode after episode. So follow along here. I think you're really going to be impressed with this and blown away with the reality of it. I'll then prove that excessive Forex market analysis is a waste of time. What do I mean? There are hundreds of YouTube channels out there where people go live on a daily basis and attempt to tell you what any given currency pair is doing, going up, going down, stagnant, and again, they spend hours over hundreds and hundreds of channels, maybe thousands, drawing lines on the chart and telling you what they think. Maybe the price could go this way. Maybe the price could go that way. When here's where I'm different. I get into a trade. While they spend 2 hours over excessively analyzing the market, I'm in a trade making money. Simple as that. And I'm going to show you how to do the same thing. Next, I'll prove that Forex trade management is key, not analysis or even entry. Again, I'm going to enter a random trade on a random currency pair, a random buy or sell. You'll see that in a minute here. And I'm going to manage it into profitability. So what that means is I really don't have to have a strategy. I don't get a strategy in this concept. It's just going to be random. What I'm going to do is manage the trade. I'm not going to analyze, and I'm not going to use some crazy 5-tier, 18 different indicator entry strategy. It's going to be random. I'll manage, and you'll see the progress and the profits from doing this. So the real question is, how am I going to do this? It's as simple as this. I will enter a random trade, a buy or a sell, on a random currency pair. I will manage it into profit, and then I will repeat the process. So first, let's go use the random list generator on the internet. I'll take you to the page. We will generate our random trade and go place that trade. And then in the next episodes, I will show you the profit. I will show you if the trade went against me. I will show you how I recovered it. And if by the next episode I'm in profit, I'll show that profit and we'll choose another random entry and move on and repeat the process. I think this will be really powerful to those that overanalyze and overthink this process of generating profits with Forex trading. So the first thing I want to share with you here is what I'm doing to determine which currency pair we are going to buy or sell. I've made a spreadsheet here, and what I did, if you look down here, I did all 28 currency pairs plus US 30. So that gives us a total 29. So I'm doing all of the basic 28 currency pairs plus I added US 30. And what I did was I put buy next to each one of the 28 plus the 29th US 30. And then I duplicated the list and I put sell next to all 28, or actually 29 in this case, because again, I added US 30. So we have 58 total possibilities, 28 currency pairs plus US 30, and each has a sell or a buy associated with it. What I will do is I will literally copy that entire thing. So let me copy this list. And then what we'll do is take it over to the random list generator. You can do this yourself. It's random.org/list. And what I'm going to do is simply paste all 58 items in here. Again, it's 29 currency pairs times 2 that either has a sell or a buy next to it. So I'll show you here. Let's just do this once. I'm going to click randomize. And what it does is it gives me that 58 pair list, and it shows me number one, if we were to take this trade, and I'm going to do a couple random generations here. If we were to take this trade, AUD CHF sell, because that's number one on the random list, that's how we're going to do it. I can go ahead and hit again here and randomize the list, and it puts EUR AUD buy. So it's completely random. I'm not doing any chart analysis. I'm not using a strategy. I'm literally going to go to my MT4 installation. And in this particular case, I would do EUR AUD. I'll open up that chart and I will do a buy at 0.1 or $1 per pip. And I will manage it into profit. The hell with analysis. The hell with following some crazy strategy that kind of keeps you in or out of the market whenever. I just want to show you that it can be and it is random, and you can profit if you understand how to manage a Forex trade. And frankly, over time, over the upcoming episodes, you'll see how easy this is. Why am I doing this? I just want to get just the mind virus and the psychosis out of the Forex trading industry and show you that you can be profitable in the easiest way possible, because the market is not what everyone tells you it is, and all of these crazy strategies and indicators will actually do their best to keep you out of the market. This way, we are going to constantly be in the market. Once I have a trade go into profit or into recovery and the trade closes out in profit, I'm going to immediately start recording. We'll do another random generation. We'll choose number one off the list, and we'll enter a buy or sell on that particular currency pair. Now let's scroll to the bottom here. I'm going to click again, and we're actually going to take the number one choice that comes up at the top. So I'm going to hit again. Here it is, USD CAD sell. That is what we are going to do right now. Zero analysis. So let me go on over to my MT4 installation. I'll open up the USD CAD and we will click sell at a 0.1 lot size or $1 lot size. Zero analysis. Again, understanding, I want you to understand, this is a random trade, and I'm going to show you how to make it profitable. So here we are on a brand new fresh MT4 installation with a demo account of $10,000. You can see here in the lower left. And what did we say we were going to do? USD CAD sell. So I'm going to go to the market watch here. I'm going to open up USD CAD, right click, chart window. Let's expand this. And I'm going to apply a template just so I can look at this and it makes it easier. I created a template called Basic Candles, and I do have an RSI 4 down here. But it doesn't really matter because we're not going to do any analysis, right? We're simply going to do USD CAD sell. So here we are on the 1 hour chart. Maybe I'll go down to the 5-minute chart, maybe the 15-minute chart. In the end, it doesn't matter. We're going to do USD CAD sell. So I'm on the 15-minute chart. I'm going to do the drop down in the upper left-hand corner here. I want to put my lot size to 0.10, which is $1. And remember, we said sell. I'm simply going to hit sell. Since this is a brand new account, I accept these terms. Okay. Hit sell again. And we are in a sell right now. USD CAD sell. You'll note the date, 3/3/2022 at 03:39 and 18 seconds. Now, in terms of my goal of profit, what I want to show you is that I can get this in profit. Now, we paid in this particular case, if you look at the commission, 50 cents. So I need to make more than 50 cents. So 51 cents is profit. However, I'm not going to be that cheeky about it. I'm just going to watch this and either take some sort of random profit, because if it's going in my direction, I'm going to let it go. And if it's going against me, you'll see moving forward, I'm going to let it go, but I'm going to stop it going against me if I need to. You'll see moving forward. So we're in a trade, USD CAD sell. You can see the date 3/3/2022 at 03:39. You can also see in the bottom right-hand corner of my screen, that's the date. It's 8:40 p.m. local here, Eastern time. I'm just going to let this run. I'm going to end the video here, and I'll come back in the next episode when I've either taken some profit and I'm ready for a new trade, or I'm into recovery. We'll talk more about that. Basically, that means the trade has gone against me, and I will be able to recover that trade at profit. So subsequent episodes will be very short. We'll get in, we'll get out, and you'll be able to watch this in a playlist, in a series, with, again, this being episode number 1, and we'll just move on to every episode after that as long as it takes. This is going to be an ongoing series that will go on for a long, long time. Now, let me also plug a service that I have. I have a copy trade service. fxwithterry.com. I have a copy trade service where I can send you profitable trades at any level, any lot size, any number of trades that you want. Do you want 1 trade a day? Do you want 10? Do you want 100? Do you want them at 10-cent lot size, $10 lot size? I have a copy trade service. And aside from the fact that I believe in my experience that all of this is random, you'll see the real key is about trade management and managing your trades. And I give you a control panel to do that. I send you the trades, and you have the control panel to manage your own trades into profitability. So take me up on that offer. Go check it out, fxwithterry.com. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next video, episode number 2, and I'll show you either the profits I took and we'll go into a next trade, or the recovery process I'm in or going through. And when that finishes in profit, we'll move on to the next trade. In this particular case, just before I end the video, we're at about a 21-cent profit. I'm not going to stop it there because I want to show some basic significant profits, but we'll get into a flow here, and I'll just show you how profitable you can be with random Forex trading. That's it. I'll see you in the next episode.